Welcome to NMC 383 Field Production. This course is all about taking your creative ideas and turning them into a professional, polished media field production project. Over the next 11 weeks, you'll experience the full production cycle, from concept development to production to distribution planning. And to inspire you along the way, we've launched a podcast series, NMC 383 Field Production Stories from the Fields. In this podcast, we go behind the lens with field production experts to uncover the real stories, lessons, and insights that shape the work that we do. Each episode explores personal journeys, practical tips, and evolving trends that define life in the field. Throughout the term, you will be working on your media field production project, and this project will move through 5 major phases: concept, pre-production, field production, post-production, and distribution. Each week builds on the last, so staying organized is key. Your first step in this process will begin by choosing a content type to explore and produce. Your options for this class include documentary, music, commercial advertising, news reporting, event coverage, reality lifestyle, travel adventure, and wildlife nature. Once you've decided your content type, you will create a detailed pitch outlining your vision and production goals. Pre-production and logistics is where the groundwork happens. You will script, storyboard, secure permits if needed, schedule shoot dates, scout locations, and organize your equipment. If you're working with a team, this is when you will assign roles. The goal is to plan like a pro and get your technical blueprint laid out to help you make your field production process run more smoothly. Now it's field production time. This is where you execute your pre-production plan. It is in this phase that you'll gain invaluable hands-on experience with essential field production techniques. You'll conduct on-location shoots, practice sound and lighting setups, and troubleshoot real-world challenges. Now that you have collected all your footage, it's time for post-production. Plan on spending time shaping your story through editing, providing and getting feedback, and presenting your completed media field production project. Finally, plan how to share your project with the world. Identify platforms like YouTube, social media, or even film festivals, and validate your choice for why it fits best with your audience for this piece. By the end of this course, you'll have a professional quality project and a deep understanding for the production process. And don't forget to tune into our podcast, Stories from the Field, for expert insights and inspiration. So ready to bring your vision to life? Let's get started.